How I learn 5 times faster using AI, no courses needed. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt stuck trying to learn a new tech skill, Python, cybersecurity, automation, and it just takes forever? Well, what if I told you that you can learn faster than 90% of people using AI? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I use AI to learn faster, stay ahead in tech, and save hours every single week. This method works even if you're busy, even if you're a total beginner. This is Mohammed from BAITACH, and let's get started. Here's the truth. Most learning today is broken. You sit through 10-hour courses, take pages of notes, and still forget half of it. That's not how pros learn anymore. I needed a better system, so I built one using AI. It's simple, fast, and I use it every single day to upskill in Python, automation tools, cybersecurity, and even content creation. Let me show you how. Step 1. Use ChatGPT as your personal tutor. I start by telling ChatGPT exactly what I want to learn. Let's say I want to learn Python. I type, "You're an expert Python teacher. Create a 7-day learning plan for a beginner. Keep it practical and short, with daily exercises." ChatGPT gives me a perfect plan. Day-by-day lessons, mini projects, and even explanations. Now, instead of figuring out where to start, I have a personalized roadmap customized to me. Step 2. Summarize anything in minutes. Instead of watching 30-minute YouTube videos or reading long blog posts, I use AI to summarize content fast. I copy the transcript of a video or the link to an article and ask, "Summarize this in 5 bullet points, make it beginner friendly." You can even ask it to explain things in simpler terms, like you're a 5-year-old only. That way, I go from confused to confident in minutes. Step 3. Learn by doing with AI's help. Once I've got the basic knowledge, I can ask ChatGPT to help me build something simple. For example, help me create a Python script that renames all files in a folder. Or build a make.com automation that saves my email attachment to Google Drive. And instead of just learning theory, I'm now applying it immediately, which locks it in. Step 4. Quiz yourself with ChatGPT. I always end my sessions by asking ChatGPT to quiz me. Just say, "Give me 5-question quiz on what I just learned." Include answers and explain each one. This active recall is the key to learning faster. It tells you what you really understand and what you need to review. Using this system, I've been able to learn fast enough to automate real tasks for clients and for our business, build workflows with tools like make.com, improve our cybersecurity skills to protect our business and our clients, and I did it all while being on a very busy schedule and also without spending hundreds on courses. This system works because it's focused, flexible, and fast. You're not consuming randomly. You're learning with intention with the help of a super intelligent assistant. If this video gave you value, imagine what we can do together on this channel. Every week I share tools, automations, AI systems, or cybersecurity tips to help you save time, learn faster, and grow your business with tech. So hit that subscribe, follow, leave a comment if you want my full AI learning prompt pack, and share this with a friend who is still stuck learning the old way. I'm Mohammed from BAITACH. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.